ready to turn those incredible Appsumo deals into serious cash. Let's dive into proven strategies to promote Appsumo products like a pro in just a minute and a half. First, social media is your best friend. Share deals on relevant platforms. Create eye-catching posts with compelling visuals and a clear call to action, driving users to your affiliate link. Next, leverage the power of email marketing. Build an email list and send targeted emails featuring Appsumo deals that cater to your audience's needs. A catchy subject line and personalized message are key. Content is king. Write blog posts, create video reviews, or record tutorials showcasing the benefits of Appsumo products. Include your affiliate links naturally within your content. Don't underestimate the power of partnerships. Collaborate with other affiliates, influencers, or businesses in your niche. Cross-promote each other's content to reach a wider audience and boost your sales. Remember to track your results, monitor which strategies are working best, and optimize your efforts accordingly. Use UTM parameters to track which social media post, email, or content is bringing you the most sales. Now go out there and crush it with these Appsumo deals.